Does your work often involve manual PCB assembly? Manual assembly is time-consuming, and having a fixture makes a significant difference in both quality control and production speed. One of the conventional methods is to offset every surface, which, depending on the complexity, can take hours. And if tolerances are off, you're back to modifying surfaces all over again. But what if I told you there was a way to make fixture in 30 minutes? This is GrabCAD FixtureMate, a plugin inside GrabCAD Print Pro. I'm a marketer, not an engineer, but it only took me 30 minutes to build this fixture, while it took 3 hours for our engineers to build this fixture. And the best of all, it only took me 1 hour to learn this. It's simple. Import your file and choose a base plate. Now, start adding supports to the location you like. You can customize the shape very easily depending on your preference and can easily modify them in the future just by dragging the support. Once the support looks good, click Subtract Workpieces to remove the areas of support that overlap with the part. You can adjust the tolerances depending on how tight the fixture needs to be. Then, send the finished part to the 3D printer and your fixture is now ready. Stop wasting time and resources on assembly. Invest on what really matters: building great products.